Hey, it's me again, Rio. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko nililinis yung false eyelashes ko para ma-reuse ko sila. So let's go! So first, kailangan nyo ng mangko or takip ng garapon, yung malinis at medyo mas mataas ng konti kesa sa eyelashes nyo. Then next, you have to bring out your dirty eyelashes and put it in the container. Tapos, lagyan nyo siya ng micellar water. Yung medyo nakalubog ng konti yung eyelashes nyo. Babad nyo siya for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then after that, kuha kayo ng paper towel or tissue saka cotton buds. Dahan-dahan nyo linisin ng cotton buds yung pinaka-lashes. Pag malinis na, tanggalin nyo naman yung glue residue dun sa pinaka-bands. Since nababad na siya sa micellar water, mas madali nang matatanggal yung pinaka-glue sa band. That is it for my quick and easy way to clean your false eyelashes. Hope this helped you, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!